Okay, so I really love you guys. I am up at 5 o'clock this morning, did my 2 mile run, and then it clicked in my head that somebody had asked me last week, how do you begin doing pull-ups? So I wanted to show you a couple things. First, if you have a pull-up bar, this makes it easier because I use mine in between my to going into my bathroom, so I have to use it when I have to go to the bathroom. Just kidding, you don't have to do that, but I do. All right, so if you're just starting, decide how you want your hand grip to go. If you're doing a pull-up, your hand should be or a chin-up, your hand should be facing you. If you're doing a pull-up, you should be going away. I say starting with a chin-up is a lot easier. So what I would recommend you do is you just practice hanging, pick your feet off of the ground, and just hang. Because a lot of the times you don't realize how much strain that puts on your shoulder, and it gets you used to the feeling of hanging, which most of us don't do in our day-to-day lives. Once you get to the place where you're feeling pretty comfortable doing that, you want to do an eccentric drop down. So if you can't jump up to your bar, you could use something like a stair or a chair or something like that. But I just go ahead and jump up, and you want to lock your legs in, and then slowly as you can go, descend down. And I keep my legs crossed behind me when I do this. So now I'm down, I'm on my feet. So do that 2-3 times, whatever you can do. And then what you're gonna notice is you're gonna become stronger. And then you can also then begin to work on pulling yourself up. So if you cross your legs and then you slowly go up, slowly go down. Just focus on doing that one time. Don't feel like you have to do multiple. Now, something I also wanted to share with you. I think that was it. I have to have my coffee. All right. You guys have a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and I hope this video helps.